Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Google Store in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, go to the new tab, click at plus button, new tab is open. In new tab, here we find Google Apps, click on Google Apps. In Google Apps, scroll down and find Google Store, click on Google Store at here, and in few seconds Google Store is open. Google Store is now open. In Google Store, in a Google Chrome, we find three dots at the top. At the top we find three dots, click on that three dot, scroll down and find save and share. Go to the save and share. Here we find create a shortcut, click on a create a shortcut. Here we find Google Store, give any name that you want. Here we find open as a window, check this or select this and click on the create. New pop-up window is appear, close it, click on no thanks, click on the close the Google Chrome. After that we find on desktop Google Store shortcut. Also in start in app list we find Google Store, open it from anywhere. I open it from the desktop, double click on it, wait for a few seconds. And here we find Google Store is installed as an app and open as an app in Windows 11, Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.